Former face of Adongo Vites, which Edu Safu Afisia Day, what Danny Eya or Gomjana to say, I just said, one to say, and then some will also I a fat Dr. Kukuating on the boss of Adongo Vites, any Bimusuno Angel Broadcasting Network, any a former wife, a here. Sally Amakwa and the donor friend the Kia Jenga. You want to say and send me up on tear from one and no to stay see and what Eka will be. What a yarn as will be so and now Mekayana watching the code away, you know. A or Shami could feed up on team, Bejana Iranimu, the no mere Eddie man perform more can send Eddie Etia, the Urano, as I say, any move, no means and look at baby and any bitch tea. Now, yeah, what and seminal as solo. What's up, Babonti being a postie a year? Dr. Koku obtained and the former fourth wife, a Kia GMB, and phony tone on no supposed to on a year, Stacy Martin, and phony tone or Chowa says, no question will be manipulative will be there, and will bet church and sing and tell the expose Babonti, yes, shut a crown funnel, honorable Kennedy Japon. The no Becca and some one share ye the amount for come home to be friend no see no quite no jomo or felt so that it was about what the Becca will not can say, but who knew so 1 year no send what kind. No, not as a do some way, won't say a year or Chami could see action in them no, and after is supposed expose no, but she has signed on to have the fact, the post no actual as a for in some by an action no, and yes, a kitchen, my main and king can be from now. May kind or Chami could feed them whatever to one can not say, you do so far, there's so much was, you know, my kind at the account at the amount. Or say it's a new day. I must admit that I have let my emotions get the better of me. I will be the bigger and matured one and save the day. I have spoken out of anger and hurt a few, and I'm sorry. I am truly remorseful. I only stood for my family. Sorry. And on the hashtag love, Eka when I say was actually on the caption. I say to all the respectable people far and near that God, I truly appreciate your words. Can't thank you enough. And only Ochiami Kofi Edia or Choi in the post any caption that's in my king kind of mom Siciano. Now the global edusa for us shop and on the Instagram page ads on also a fan for new way screenshots and my caption was saying or anything or say Benito. If today is a working week, I beg, do you work? Let me tell you, Mr. Wife and Mrs. Husband, the Juju man, you two visited to work on Dr. Acquisition. So he gives you guys a house. Will end up wasting your fat shit cakes. Mark my words. But what the fuck you guys rent? Hey, after all this evil against millions, no house. Hey, Mikra. I have to shoot 3 adverts today. I get time. Mr. Wife, after Acquisition FM afternoon drive, rubber bucket shop crowd, you get monthly pay receiver. And so, and that was actually on the account. Thanks for the blocking, but why are you running? And it just said, and Sema, do Safua Ebertro as caption, add two screenshots of a year or Jamie Coffee in some or the better so to judge and seven. So, that is what I said. Or Chami Kofi and anyway, Stacy, I'm watching one more day. Dr. Acquisition often you say Dr. Coco ten more patch, but won't mean more than that's right at the end. So allegedly no, yeah, can't say Dr. Coco ten and what they know. Then you know workers and all just say Stacy, I'm watching any new or Chami Kofi at the Dr. Coco ten allegedly at the Accord Jujuso and so Marco when I think go bet your movie. Nenu na ankwam ye anfa mama sisi ade wo mda so ati dan a wo mo renting wa ebi mu so wo mo saje bosu na kechi ade say ejuma side ye hustle program wo mo ni side job bi wo mo genetics so wo mo kwatekwa and wo na mo kwa maybe so for ensem a obayi abetwe na ne kwan so no odi se wo kan ensem bi say na ensem se ne isfa say no me kwa metna say bro so de chere ma mo nya ntia se wo minti maton side afami anga se me nua ba o ha be ko ensem no emu na ati se right ensem mu a na wo so nya muti ase e wo na bo me na me ma me nua queen akwa basoro queen bi aboko so ediba je ase queen also wo to nya ensem e we hi future no say ade na yehwe ensem we edusafo a kwan a osifa ka ne nsem ensem a waje edi abon no because me hu baby a o nsem we kra ko no pie mu bi kai akoye Dr. Koko Otin eni efi agem bi aware nsem eni Stacy Amwate obefa ejuma no ejuma position director no enu pon ko bi betwe mu man so kra pa denye between 3 na wonu baby o fi a won so be gire mu bia ase de do won be ye bia won wasem kai na ori ade na ye no bia o ye nisa.
I don't know maybe kind in share their ma it's you for me.
Okay, obi a
sometimes na any bread and so to me money paisa.
Any bread.
Oh yeah.
Say when you not bring saying
e bia na no enya asa akwanya na ye dia ma Stacy wo company Angel Broadcasting network in Kono na onya ya anko pepa but onya akwanya no I this position in the man. And I be no hold grudges against Stacy sorry, Tracy
Stacy na
Stacy right?
Yeah.
I had
Stacy Tracy there. Some Bruno said anybody
so because when you bring pana, I don't see why. As I said, Uma Nasem, Ebeye Wasem now chicken time so a jinemu barre. And I will be a warrior sem also. You see, our phone them once when you can't be brave.
Okay.
Who could jinemu can't be brave? The next thing you become a third person. So I worry 100. So I worry Regina Daniels new kun worry.
When they uncountable you
thank you. But they are all peacefully to the man, right? Inti na Ghana de obi akwa be aware ma for wagya bi no da so bi beti na wo so fi be bi abebetine ana aware no pese ono so to so bi
but wo hwa ni semuni mu no Dr. Koko Otin no no issue osan ni Stacy Amwate wo issue as akwete de wako gina efia GMB afa na as wo kono e de
anti no oni efia GMB no e na a plan mu say no because no oba ni ntimi mma forward.
Who is say
Sana, that is how I see it to be.
Okay.
So they are friends.
Me association credo because I dey ready obi adwuma want here.
You know,
but I dey minimum because
oh yeah.
Wa worry the mind
Enti no obeni mu.
Okay.
Enti no say e bia ono ni mpese odi na nim beba. Na ni kunu na ka say o say ni din anase bibi.
Okay.
Enti no obeyi na nim de ahye obi a obetini. Ana ono ni wo issues dada. Oni ni kunu ni wo issues dada. Say na be ayen ko ka say ono no oye.
Hey,
because ni ekosu ni nyina no I don't know say ekwi anaba out. Aba be kasa about it na so.
Only about obekasa ase ne kasa emu no kasa kwa ase wo de wo so ne wo asem tele no ocho but wo hwa asem yiye pa out say o ka asem so.
Ena me pese me mu say o ka say o chia me kwa me o chia me kofi ni ne yere ekwa eduro so say o mo de o boss ekwa eduro so no wa to fia mo no eduro ni so no no de o ko e omo ko no no ka omo ho
Odi bisa
ana so omo be kra no say according to say freedom of speech no obi asori a opese odi ni nua anim eye fam onya ni nua ho kwan kakra bi a na se so ope nsem bebre den ekeka nsem ho e de say ni nua on social media all in the name of popularity.
Santu ni say no enti na you say
oh yeah, because if it is not because of this whole social media showbiz popularity now, I don't see why she should be bringing two families' head together.
Hey. Na yenhwe ne sem no a wo kekan e wo posters no obi ebi wo say mu di ne ko juju se mu ko ji mpese ko onto dan mam na so ni nyemu mo
break. Na me bisa say okoye no. O ne koye.
Ho krampo di efensi nche say o rent. Adan etesi ano ebe ewo mu no rent a e boni ana.
Is it a crime to rent?
Na me bisa no.
Na Stacy no what for boutique. Stacy has a boutique.
Okay.
And so Kasa Stacy any new kuno is under monthly salary. It's not a big deal. yeah, presidents are almost crap on a show, mine so. We do so much salaries. We pay them. Everybody takes monthly salary from everywhere, from president to one. So, and on any big deal. They are not too bigger than the salary they are taking. And I said they are not too big to take salaries or monthly salaries.
Nenunti Obama or do someone in some okay can ask again. Or do minimum year from someone's monthly salary. Not say I
don't know, and I mean, can catch you say. It's a be a showbiz popularity.
Okay.
A being sweet, Casa Keke or no, when you're in so be or no person or the tate or mokeke. Because there is something behind that. Or no need try so heat it up till say that thing will come out. And to know if you are almost why I won't feel. There's a sort of train some bar or no soon any member. So I said,
but I say, when you query here now, but it is for a kind of be need some kind of say Stacy and Martin or no any shift here. It will know you and I make yours.
Tell to know offer Mr. Wife and Mrs. Husband.
They did be a room, something will be fierce, no, a manager or not, you'll be as a manner, and also will be in a chanka was a manner.
And no, I mean, deep and has it. Obi will be our reason. Yin even when you are a counselor, as a counselor, Obi didn't or any kuna, and you're into my seven brewer. What dream who quite she has son away the assembly. Because one person will be the assembly baby. Now the Pakodi we are found, nature waka 10%. Our rent masters and Yammy Bower, and yet and there we are say, I year, and Kawaria dear, and can send Kawa, Obini, Ugunu Kuna, and I wonder what you're into master can say P. You should be able to sort it out.
Oh, Marcus, I'm new to.
And these are some of the things. Because who would they catch you be saying, you could not say, me pay advice be a foot to be if you want. Who need me watching, maybe you could not say my baby catch you. Say they're possible if you think and say you are a friend. You understand? Who need baby? Me need baby, I won't so bad. What they are some little powers and Actually, the same baby, the motive behind you, me telling you about my marriage issues and my husband problems and what feeling wasn't to that extent. Say, over Papa say, you couldn't tell my worry. I said, no, I won't say.
Okay.
But I was just trying to tell you, and some now, me, and to me, you be a can be a cheering, mammy, then I move on with my life. But my mom can't show say, Konako told me. And looking our room, some and yen same piano, if you are real, a carbon say, if you want no papa crap, and then be beyond as a senka. Yes, sorry, it's here a from ma. Me couldn't say, me say, you should be matured enough. Send your mother matured enough to get married. You should be matured enough to solve your problems. There are this couple, omunya akasakasa na. Akasakasa no bani ra dem no of course fan back started so packing the luggages. Oko packing na be man gina ho no se. No ba no ra dem ho no koye dem. E no so tua no bedroom ho. Oko e no ba na packing no say o packing dem a o kwen. No so me come ma ko. Wa nkasa e no so fa the bag. E no so started so packing dem.
Oh, must be good.
No, or banish any surprisingly, no say, now, who back on them also, no say, so call man. Miss O'Connor man. And no banish it now, Colancy and no one. Ye don't mamma, and no say, oh, who didn't say Colau or dear. Who didn't say Colau when I will pack on your master will call man. And see, I hear a man, so they should also go to their mother's house. And see, say, Uncle, I'm not call Mammy Bell. You are going to your mother. So, Colana soon come on Castle Colana come papa. Man, we are going to our mother, so they should come to their mother too.
You couldn't and say,
yes, after the moon, I want to mean at all, so Mujina or Sherman. they all sat down and then solved their problem. This is how marriage should be. One should be wiser than the other.
Okay.
To always find a way of bringing into maybe say na esi no na ko no ka share na danfo.
Nka say
Obema na futu a ense say odema no ono so be gina so dia na afi age nsem which is not supposed to be like that.
Na etem de de ba we ya nsa nti wo final words dey na wo ka e de a che awabefo ni te say se na edu safa akata ngofo mo te se wo no futu be na be twa to dia mo.
Who say ngofo a omo te se edu safa a etoda na etoda omo no omo atra your friend say
be careful.
Tomorrow futu omo atra ko na
ekwa de dia
ko si baby ya. But the me catch Stacy ni ku say they have been there in the showbiz for years.
Okay.
People has always loved them for who they are.
Okay.
Whichever way they live their life, people has always loved them and respected them the way they are. Whether Stacy in a shifia or range said, and so Bema and Kwan a shifia. When you go to Europe, they all share things together.
Okay.
We ye jumana, we ye juman. I just any funny a housewife. So your housewife, no mean ye juma, they divide everything together. Obani ye ne dio, Bema su ye ne dio. Oba chia be oba kalani school fees. That money and making sure that the home bills and everything he takes care of that. So there is nothing wrong with a woman married, legally married, to take care of her house when she has found more than the husband.
And your money.
And your money.
Okay.
So this shouldn't be a topic over the airs. Say, obi sheni kunu and on sheni kunu ne ba ofie. It shouldn't be. Because and your money. Ti aware for no so no kakra me can say. Me afa na me be room. But the little experience, sometimes na ye kra na ya twen na ye worry.
More experience can say
oh yes. And the little thing I can tell them is making sure so tell myself and count myself.
Okay.
I will be no chine bi o dia be gina social media about the go minimum because they are all public figures. This is what I can tell.
Okay, one of my say it was your for in your back queen what China doing at the affair and some ababa I say do so I can be a boom na ni no foot to the giant say we are for say we in relationship ya mo hwe say mo nsem no beka mo ntem be so ho mo ntem say ya ba say that could be what count to about na to be so afa na akwa na boy about to system eno mo bibia nti say futo ndem hu say mo hu am enti obi afa to go to dem fa bobra me din na ama obuso a obetimi a subscribe to Magic HD Games no wa share video on all the social media platforms. Follow you on Instagram, Twitter, so at Magic_. Never more therefore I don't share fan comment to you say no. To draw comment section. The media do my lesson to share the macrobia.